So here's the part 2 of why you should use harnesses and not collars while walking your dog. मैंने बेसिक डिटेल्स दी थी लास्ट वीडियोस में. Here are some more details. So basically harnesses वैसे भी सारे डॉग्स के लिए अच्छी होती हैं, बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट पपीज एंड सीनियर डॉग्स, उनके लिए तो इट इज मैंडेटरी बिकॉज ऑफ द सॉफ्ट, लाइक पपीज हैव रियली सॉफ्ट एरिया हियर. उनका बोन यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा सॉफ्ट और डेलिकेट होता है. यू नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट इट. स्टॉप यूजिंग कॉलर्स फॉर पपीज. Same is the case of senior dogs. Do not use collars at all. Then there are certain breeds like Frenchies and pugs who are flat-faced. They already struggle with some breathing issues. All in all, harnesses are good for every age, breed, size, I would say. Walking your dogs correctly सिर्फ एक एक्टिविटी नहीं है. It is also a way to protect them. Let me tell you some of the health issues or problems that they can face if you are walking them in collar. There can be tracheal damage, breathing difficulties, back and neck pain. There can be slip disc issues, and even worse, there can be eye issues, eye conditions like glaucoma because of the constant pressure on the neck. So can you believe it? इतनी सारी diseases बोलो या फिर इतने सारे damages बोलो जो body को हो सकते हैं just because you are walking your dogs in collar and constantly आप एक point पे pressure डाल रहे हो. It is a sensitive point. Breathing difficulty or windpipe damage के अलावा भी there are so many other issues that your dogs can face as and when they grow old. So you know, right below the collar, जहाँ पे ये collar का pressure पड़ता है, right below it, यहाँ पे बहुत sensitive organs होते हैं. There is trachea, thyroid gland and even the major nerves जो इस area के हैं. तो जब आप constantly pressure दे रहे हो, pull कर रहे हो with that constant jerking and pulling, it creates long term repercussions. धीरे धीरे आपको दिखेगा your dog is coughing too much or your dog is gagging during walks and even afterwards. There are a lot of dogs who start shaking their head या neck area पे बहुत ज़्यादा itch करना शुरू कर देते हैं because of the irritation. So now let me tell you what is the right kind of harness for your dogs. तो दो तरीके के harness आप ले सकते हो which are great. One is या तो Y-shaped harness या फिर H-shaped harness आप ले सकते हो. Again, the harness should be such कि वो chest area को cover करे पर shoulders को restrict ना करे. The shoulder movement should not be restricted. वो dog के लिए again बहुत uncomfortable हो जाएगा. The harness needs to be padded because again then that will rub against the body while you are walking and it can be again discomforting. Rashes create हो सकते हैं, irritation हो सकता है. And most important, it needs to be strong enough कि आप day to day life में उसको आराम से use कर सको. जब आप वॉक कर रहे हो डॉग को, ऐसा ना हो कि बीच में स्नैप हो जाए, खुल जाए. तो दैट इज अगेन इम्पोर्टेंट. ऑल्सो डू नॉट पिक द हार्नेस जो फ्रंट लेग्स को रिस्ट्रिक्ट करता है while वॉकिंग बिकॉज द डॉग विल नॉट बी एबल टू वॉक प्रॉपरली. तो कोई भी मूवमेंट ना शोल्डर को रिस्ट्रिक्ट करे ना फ्रंट लेग मूवमेंट को रिस्ट्रिक्ट करे. दैट इज वॉट यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड. सो जस्ट reiterating what I said in the last video. Harnesses are important of course. I'm not saying collars को आप discard कर दो. Collars have their own purpose. Collars हैं आप IDs के लिए लटकाने के लिए, name tag लटकाने के लिए, air tags use करने के लिए, for all that identification. You can still use collars, but avoid them while walking. उस collar के hook में leash लगाकर please do not walk your dogs and switch to harness. I would say right away. Just pick the right size for your kid, the right shape for your kid, and just switch to harnesses. So in your next outing, just switch to harness and see the difference in their body language. They will walk with their head higher, they would breathe easier and stay calmer. I would say it is just their way of saying thank you. So thank you so much for listening to this video, staying here for so long, for watching both the parts, and if you learn something from it, please share in the comments. If you think somebody needs to hear all this, please share it with them. And I would love to hear, did you switch from a collar to a harness after listening to this video? Let's give our kids, our dogs, a better, kinder, more compassionate world.